Tinker is a holistic 360-degree curriculum integrated with technology that fulfills all the academic requirements of a preschool and ensures proper training and professional development of the teachers. The curriculum has incorporated the best practices from global pedagogical methods in early childhood education. Tinker caters to children in the age group of 2.5 to 6 years, and it covers 3 levels: Primer, Primer A, and Primer B. Let us have a brief look at each of the components of Tinker. The first component of Tinker is the Tinker Box. Each Tinker Box consists of 4 elements, namely monthly books, notebooks, AR course books, and art and craft books. There are 7 books in the box. Each book covers the concepts of language, math, colors, shapes, general awareness, stories, rhymes, and fine motor activities. The monthly books are very attractive, with high-quality paper and lucid, colorful images to inspire curiosity and creativity in children. Also, the structured presentation of topics in the form of stories, comic strips, rhymes, and more ensure learning in a natural way and helps children relate concepts to everyday life. To develop handwriting skills at an early age, there are ready-to-write notebooks for English, maths, and general awareness. To create a learning environment that is engaging and based on real-life examples, Tinkerbox has incorporated augmented reality experience in the coursebook to bring the pictures of animals and objects alive in a classroom or at home. To develop creativity, Tinker has art and craft books. These books have activities pertaining to coloring, pasting, drawing, and craftwork that help children hone their motor skills, improve their eye-hand coordination, develop their muscles, and strengthen their visual and spatial learning. Tinker books are also available in digitized format in the Next Curriculum app. This ensures that learning continues beyond the classroom and children can learn at their own pace and convenience.